Hey everyone, welcome back to this new vlog where I'll be giving the Marrow Back on Track GT plus I'll cook something very delicious. So stay tuned for that. I hope you like it. So देखते हैं कैसा जाता है. So let's start.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश कर
Do it! Just do it! Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true!
So it's 6:30 now. Like finally I gave one grand test after so long time. Like हो गए at least 40 दिन तो हो गए होंगे grand test दिए हुए. तो अब it was like इतना tiring हो रहा था especially starting में कि how to even sit for 3.5 hours again. क्योंकि इतना time हो गया बैठे हुए भी. But but I feel it was like good. But एक चीज़ है, if somebody wants to actually study, they should give grand tests more frequently. It is a good way to keep yourself on track and keep studying. क्योंकि at least 200 क्वेश्चन तो होंगे, you can just go through. If you give even thrice or 4 times in a week grand test, it'll be good. तो अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि you are not able to study और तुमने अभी तक जॉब भी ज्वाइन नहीं किया, then just go and give this grand test. Anyways, it's free on Marrow, back on track GT. You will have a great experience. I mean कि तुम्हारा पढ़ने का मन करेगा दोबारा GT देगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन you will not be able to solve, like कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि मतलब इजी चीज़ों में कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे.
हमारे मतलब बाप को मत सिखा चल
Because invariably you would have forgotten a lot of things right until now if you are not studying after the postponement. Yeah, that's it. मतलब एक तरह से ड्रेनिंग हो जाता है ना जब एक बार GT देते हैं तो. Like it used to happen to me like when I started preparing कि जब GT देता था like पूरा दिन ऐसे ही चला जाता था, kind of नशा, tiring नशा. But उसके बाद आदत पड़ गई and now I'm like we are just used to giving this long GTs. So yes. But one thing I feel is like I have this constant question in mind: what is the problem in not joining job? लाइक मेरे लिए जो प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं घर पे हूँ और ये हॉस्पिटल लाइक वेयर आई एम गेटिंग जॉब इन माई होम टाउन इज़ कि वो एकोमोडेशन नहीं दे रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई डोंट गो टू द कोविड वार्ड्स एंड देन कम बैक टू होम, यू नो दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. इसलिए लाइक आई एम फाइंडिंग सम वेज टू गेट ए रूम नियर दैट हॉस्पिटल एंड जॉइन जॉब. आई डोंट नो, लाइक I'm not able to get any reason to not join job now because neither I'm able to study nor I'm able to do anything else, just lying down on bed and eating and doing nothing, absolutely nothing. So what is the harm in joining job for 1 or 2 months if I get? Yeah, I know only risk would be if they announce if they announce if they announce AIMS date, that is a different issue, but again it looks very unlikely that any exam would happen very soon. So that's the thing. I would say if you are studying, then give GTs. If you are not studying, join job. Don't just sit at home. Or maybe sit at home if you don't want to get exposed to COVID. Nobody knows, it's your personal opinion. I'm just, blabbering some things. But the problem here is same. Like till what time we can give GT. I feel they should. I mean, they have to announce date, man. Like उसके बिना हम कब तक GT देते रहेंगे, कब तक? That's the question. Nothing can motivate or give you momentum other than more than a date of exam. Isn't it a basic requirement? You want our exam date, that's it. And I know there is no solution to that. COVID, this and that, so many things. But this is how it is. But all said and done, I am making chicken curry today at night because I want to, and I also love cooking, and also I'm recording this video, so I have to make it. I have to make it something interesting, right? So no exercise today, only cooking and eating. Let's see how it goes. So I am going now out to get the chicken. Like पूरे पसीने पसीने आ गए, to cook this chicken curry and rice. So now is the tasting time. Like I already tasted it, like it tastes so yummy. Like I can't believe कि मैंने cook कर दिया ये.
Oh my God! Wow!
Seriously, I'll show you the video. This is the chicken curry and the rice in the same bowl itself. So I really wanna, show you how it tastes. It actually turned out to be more good than I expected it to be.